So here is how you can create a column on your document. Here's how you go about it. Make sure you are on the page layout, tab. So here's the page layout tab. On the page setup, you can see where it's written columns, this button right here. Currently we are using one column, but you can select two, you can select three, you can choose the left column, you can choose the right one. So I will play around with it so that you can see how it changes as we go along. For example, this one is one. So first of all, you want to place your cursor where you will need your column. I've placed my cursor right there. Then I go to page layout on columns. I select two. You see it's changing according to the number of columns that you need. For example, 3 will give us 3 columns. That's how you go about it. Then you can select left. There's a left one and the right one. You can select right. You see the right one is smaller than the one on the left. So you can choose two. Mostly I've seen people using 2 and 3 columns on their documents. So that's how you go about changing columns on your document. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.